Alright guys, today we've got a fun adventure for you. A little bit of background story. We're trying to fix something that my wife did on accident, of course. She had gone to a new doctor's office and was trying to leave and trying to take a left out of the parking lot. But what she didn't see was a median in the middle of the road, about a 2-foot wide concrete median. Committed to the turn, realized there was a median, too late to do anything about it apparently, and drove right over it. Thought everything was fine. She got home, went about her business. I got home later that evening and saw something a little off with the car on the side. Because we got the sliding doors, the kids are going out, and something just didn't look right. Alright, and here's the van, as you can see. The sliding doors, and then underneath there, you can hopefully see there's no side skirt. I'll show you the other side too. There's supposed to be a side skirt right here. So there's all these clips that were torn out of the side skirt, which I thought had been gone actually, now that I'm looking at this. But you can see the holes for a lot of the others, as well as up there, all these holes for clips that we'll have to, it looks like this one we might be able to reuse potentially. It looks like it's probably fine, but some of them are completely gone or they're ripped off as part of the side skirt. So what we're going to do today is try to put in all the clips back into the side skirt. I'll need to take these off, clear all the holes, and try to push it back into place. So we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, so here's the side skirt itself. As you can kind of see, a lot of these brackets and stuff were busted up. That's still bent. Not a whole lot I can do about it. Some of them have 2 clips, a clip there and a clip there. That one's been ripped off. You can see I gotta take that out. Then there's these. This doesn't have a clip, but then this does have a clip. There's about 14 clips all in total. But I've had to do some soldering of the plastic, as you can kind of see here. There's a clip there, but all this was broken off. It was kind of skewed to the side as well, so I tried to straighten it out, reconnect it. I think there were about 3 or 4 of them. It was really tough to try to get these to be straight, relatively speaking. There were others that there's no clip in this, so I didn't bother straightening it back out. Because it's still, overall, this bracket still is straight. But I gotta take out these clips broke in half. There's I think in some cases a piece still left on the frame, so we'll have to take those out, replace those. I bought all new clips, all new screws. There's a few screws in the side here as well, that I soldered the holes back together. Bought new screws for those as well. So yeah, we will get to it. Alright, here we are. So we've put in all new clips here. We also have, there's one screw there, but we have these new bracket pieces to put on that were there before. Bought new replacements of theirs. Clips look great. They were super easy to come in and out. This one I messed up. The new clip will not fit in it. So we're gonna let it ride and see what happens. But all new clips look great. This one took a slightly different clip, but we got that. Added another spring clip there for the screw, and then that hole's ready. I don't think it had a spring clip in there. So yeah, we're about ready for install. We just need to I guess really all we'll need is some pliers to take out some of those clips. We'll need to remove that screw so that it can fit in, because then that screw will be added back. But as you can tell, there's some, I don't know, clip residue that, you know, we'll need to just get the pliers and grab that stuff out. There's one up there too. Take those screws out. Looks like the spring clips are in there still with the screws, and that's what ripped through the plastic. So maybe we didn't need to buy new spring clips, but hey, it is what it is. Opening up the doors because it's going to be a lot easier to line up the upper holes, which were hidden by the bottom parts of the doors. Yeah, so this should work, I think, though. All right, so the side skirt's done. It's back on. We put in the screws there. I just hand tightened them. I mean, you all saw the side skirt, you know, piece itself. It's very thin, right? So it's just kind of tacked in there. So hand tightening was enough, and it's back on. That honestly was a lot easier than I expected. I was really concerned with the brackets in the back of the side skirt and whether they would line up with the holes. But everything seems to be in place. It's relatively sturdy. You can kind of tell right there, I think, is where that clip doesn't exist anymore. But the rest of it seems to be pretty sturdy, about as sturdy as I would expect. So very happy with it. Need to clean it up a little bit, but yeah, worked out. All right, guys, that about does it today. Thanks for watching my first ever YouTube video. You know, we got the side skirt mounted back on there. Hopefully it should be fine. Should be road ready. If not, I'm sure I'll follow this up with another video, or it'll be right after this. If I go out there before I finish editing and posting this. But now I gotta go clean the minivan. We're about to go on vacation. So I'll see you guys later.